So I've been asked by one of my subscribers to upload a video of the Syma with its gimbal attachment for a GoPro. I've had some footage held for quite a while now and have not actually uploaded this footage yet onto YouTube. So for those of you who are interested to see what a Syma drone is doing with a GoPro style mount on it, here's some footage that I took several years ago. Hopefully it will be of some interest. As you can see, the Syma doesn't actually have any form of GPS on it or the 3-axis control for the camera, so you're going to get shake from the drone. It's going to pick up the vibration from the blades, and you're also going to get some noise coming from the aircraft also being picked up by the camera as well. No way to adjust the actual footage here, no way of actually seeing what's coming off the device unless you have a GoPro which may have a Wi-Fi signal on it, in which case you could actually have it as a FPV type of affair, but you're going to be limited by the range of the device anyway. You can see that the footage is not too bad. This is quite a cheap little camera, so it's only as good as the camera that you put on it, so a GoPro is probably going to give you a lot more superior footage, especially if you go to a 4K type of device. With this type of drone, because you're not using GPS, you're essentially fighting the wind as well. So you know, it's trying to balance the quad, take it up on a light day, and keep an eye on it. Really, you know, you have to really watch this drone. Otherwise, you know, any gust of wind could actually take it a little bit away. It is a toy. It's not a DJI device, so it's pretty limited in what it can do. But as a first drone, very capable of doing some very nice footage, as you can see here. So hopefully this is some enjoyable footage of the surrounding area where I live in the UK. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. Creating this type of content is always good fun. One thing I do ask is if this was useful, please like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us content creators be motivated in delivering this type of material and helping others out there in the world of YouTube. Take care, bye!